Today I'll be testing out this Leebein electric spin scrubber, and thanks so much to the brand for sending it over as a gift so I could give you a closer look and share how it works. So first, let's talk about what it comes with. It includes 8 different brush heads, which makes it really versatile for different kinds of cleaning jobs. One thing I really like is that you don't need to change batteries. It's rechargeable with a USB-C charger, and there's a battery level display so you know when it needs to be charged. Assembly is very simple. You just attach the extension poles and you can adjust the length anywhere from about 12 inches all the way up to 54 inches. It has 2 speed settings, which you control with a single button, and it's water resistant, so rinsing it off after use is easy. My favorite way to use this is for cleaning jacuzzi jets. They're always so tough to get to, and this makes it way less effort compared to scrubbing by hand. Overall, I love how versatile this scrubber is. It works nicely on windows and anywhere you need extra reach. It really helps you work smarter, not harder. Definitely check it out. If deep cleaning usually feels like a workout, you need this tool.